Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How's life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well. If not, I do hope things get better. As you have read from the title of this video, we are unboxing our March Target beauty box. This box comes, it's not a subscription plan. You don't sign up. They don't send it to you automatically every month. They put it on their website and you go on to target.com, search up beauty box, or I'll link the information in the description down below. And this is March's box. I believe February's is still available. They are $7. They ship for free, and they will also ship to your store for free. At least in my area they do, but you'll have to look that up for your area. So let's go ahead and get started. This is March. It's green, and also as you notice, it is still March because I have a birthday up. I celebrate my birthday in March. So let's go ahead and get started. Nice. March into spring. Isn't that pretty? So we do get this little sheet here. Oh, they used it different. So prior they would give you a coupon on the bottom and you would have to take it in and scan it. This month it says download the Target app, scan the barcode, and then find the coupon in your wallet, which I already do. I do that with the gift cards. So you can put everything in your wallet and the gift card, and you can put all your information into the wallet, and when you get to the register they just have to scan it and it automatically goes through. So that's what this does here. So that's what they did here. They gave you a little scanning for the coupon, and then that's everything that's into the box. The nice little ombre green into yellow, which is very beautiful. And we have green tissue paper. I love that every month they give you the tissue paper that corresponds with the theme. In this case, spring, which is yellow. Ooh, sweet. So Target, you do get, what is it like? You can return the box. So let's say you get the box and don't like it, you can return this box back to the store. So just an FYI. So this is everything that comes in it. They're all sample sizes. They're nice, generous sample sizes. They're not just foil packets. I think Walmart does that. And I don't think Walmart gives you a coupon either. It's because this is a coupon for $3 off your beauty purchase of $15 or more. And they sell Makeup Geek at Target, just saying. So we get the Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender. This is the shampoo. What I also love that they do, what Target does, is they seal these so that they don't go exploding into your box. So you get the shampoo and then you get the conditioner. And the same Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender. I should open one of these. I used, last month I got Nexus, was it Nexus? And I absolutely love that shampoo. And the good thing is these are to try it. If you like it, you buy, oh yeah. You can smell the lavender. Lavender strong. But you know, if these work for you, then you can buy the the full size bottles. I'm trying to dump it on myself. And then you also get the Shea Moisture Sugarcane Extract and Metal Foam Seed Silicone Free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment. These are good. Oh, now that everybody will be hitting the beach, maybe hitting up the pools with the chlorine, and then you put this into your hair and then you can style it. After you shower, you style it. Oh, it smells good. Oh, my nose again. This is actually really nice smelling. It's cruelty free. Sugarcane extract, metal foam seed oil, and marshmallow root for the detangling. So again, that's what you're getting. This is a nice size. This is a nice size. And $7, it's worth it because you get a $3 coupon. So the box only costs you $4. And then you have a Soothing Toner Hydrating Mist by Shea Moisture, a matcha green tea and probiotics. Yeah, did I say that right? I think I did. But that's that bottle. And that's a nice generous size. And let's see, then this is, I love that they put the tape on these. And what is this? This is Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Gentle Foaming Cleanser for Sensitive Skin. There you go on that. And what's no parabens or sulfates, and it's cruelty free. All right, I'm having a little allergy issue. It smells good. It's not strong. It's not powerful roses like an I don't smell anything in here actually. Rose gold shimmer gives skin a subtle glow. Rose water extract. It says rose water extract, but I don't really smell it like some products. Oh, we did get one, but these are nice, generous size foil packets. You know, there's a lot of products in here. And this is the Botanique Color Vibrance and Shine Intensive Mask with pomegranate and camellia oil. 0 parabens and dyes, intense nourishment for vibrant color for up to 8 weeks. That's me because I dye my hair a lot more often than usual because of my gray hair. So this will come in handy. And that's all the items that we got in this box for Target. What do you think? Did you like the products that came in here? Or would you give these a try? Would you put these, you know, give these away? Even if you paid, let's say $2 a bottle, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and say $1 for this, that's $11. We paid $7 for the box. You get a $3 coupon. Win-win. Because everybody buys shampoo, everybody buys conditioner. Well, I think everybody does. I shouldn't say everybody. Nope. Most of us buy shampoo, most of us buy conditioner, and a lot of us buy makeup. And that's what this coupon is good for. So, you know, I think you can use it on Makeup Geek. Maybe I can go get me some Makeup Geek now. So that's it for today. Is this a short video? It was a wham bam thank you ma'am kind of video. So I hope that you like this. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section down below. Did you get this box? Did you like it? Did you get the February box instead of the March's box? Let me know in the comments. I will link everything in the description bar. I will also list the items that were here today. And well, that's it for today. Until next time, I will talk to you later. Hasta Laterz, familia.